time, I would like to introduce myself the way I love to introduce myself. My name is Engineer Ofon Bokubokudo. I'm the Billionaire Ambassador and your facilitator and your host for tonight. So I'm actually here to talk about the Share It Get Paid project. For some of us who normally wants to know about the project, how to have extra source of income, how to achieve your financial dreams and goals, I would like to talk a little about myself. For those of us meeting me today for the first time, I'm an electrical engineer by profession who went to school, like most of us went to school, after school, we actually looked for a job for 3 good years, no job. So at some point, I decided to drop the certificate. I went on the streets looking for where they are building houses. I will go and attach myself. I'm an electrical engineer and I can help in installing electrical fittings. And then sometimes they'll offer me a job to do electrical installation and they'll pay me 3,000 naira a day job as a graduate. You know, after you must finish one project, getting an hour is always challenging. So at some point we went and learn how to do liquid soap, air freshener. So as a graduate, I was selling liquid soap and air freshener just to survive until June 2014, when one of my friends came to me and talked to me about the Share It Get Paid project. And he said, Engineer Ford, have you heard about the Share It Get Paid? I said, no, what is it all about? He said, the project is for forward-thinking, serious business-minded individuals. That the company will provide you information on your text message, on your WhatsApp message. All you need to do is to share this information. As many customers that say yes and get a slot, company pay you money, and the money comes in every day of your life. I heard about daily pay. I was super interested, I was broke, I was poor, I lived in face me and face you for a good number of years. I wasn't making money, so I told you I need to make money. So how much would the company pay me every day? My friend said like 10,000 naira in a day, 20,000 in a day, 100,000 naira in a day. I shouted, I did not believe the business. I was a big Thomas for 8 months. I did not believe the business. From June 2014 till February 2015, I never believed the business. Do you know why I believe the business? I believe the business because my friend drove a Toyota Corolla to my house and told me that the business he has been telling me about, and I'm saying no, look at the results of it. I'm a Nigerian man. Every Nigerian man loves to see results. We love to say that result cancel insult, and seeing is believing. So when I saw that result, I was moved, I was motivated. So I swallowed my pride. I told him, please, are you still people having your business meeting, your business presentation? He said, yes. So I was super excited, jumped inside his new car. He drove me to the seminar ground. I listened to everything the young man said, asked questions, and my questions were properly answered. And I also got my business slot, dropped my account number. I started the Millionaire School, the training, started sharing information like I was being trained on text message, on WhatsApp messages. Few days later, this company started to pay me. This company has successfully paid me from the beginning of the year to the end of the year, from February 2015 till today. For 5 good years, more than this makes me 6 years, I have earned for these 5 years over 600 million naira. The company have taken me to more than 10 countries in the world. The white Mercedes Benz you see on the screen is my fifth car. I got 3 years ago for 18 million naira. And this year I'm getting my sixth car for 35 million naira. So I'm happy to be the one to share this opportunity to you tonight. So, and the opportunity is all about the sharing economy. The sharing economy is the new normal. So many people don't understand the sharing economy. Many people don't understand the new normal. So because of that, I have to take everybody to the back to the 18th century for all of us to be on the same page, and so that we can start the journey from there and we can start talking from there. The sharing economy is the new normal, of course. And let me take all of us to the 18th century. 18th century was considered the agricultural economy. In the agricultural economy, our parents, our forefathers were practically farming and hunting to survive. Those days, they marry a lot of women. One of the reasons why they marry a lot of women, two, three, four, five wives, one of the reasons was because they wanted these beautiful ladies to give birth to a lot of children that will help in the cultivation of the farmland. Because those days, the number of farmlands you can cultivate determines your harvest. If I cultivate 2 plots of land and you cultivate 20 plots of land, our harvest can never be the same. So you see, and you see, those days, of course, men were struggling to survive because they all of them were into farming. And suddenly we moved from that generation to the generation called the industrial economy. In the industrial economy, entrepreneurs like John D. Rockefeller, J.P. Morgan, Tom Ford, started building companies, factories, industries. So there was a need to train people to work in these companies, in these factories. So that was why they brought the concept of school system. Go to school, get a good certificate, and get a good job. And people did not want to change from being a normal traditional farmers to going to school. So it was easy for the federal government of Nigeria to decide that anybody that wants to go to school those days, You may likely have what they call scholarships, bursaries, allowances, and all of that. So, and once you are done schooling, you don't need to look for a job. Companies come looking for you, factories, industries, parastatal come looking for you. And the good news is that even with class six those days, you can get a good job. That was when they told us that certificate was a key to become successful. Truly, certificate was a key to become successful because if you have this certificate, this about of course you can get a good job those days, and not today that the government have changed the padlock. You can see graduates in Nigeria today driving keke because there is no job anymore. And you know one thing about the school system I'm not too comfortable about? The school system train and teach us to cram and memorize and not to think 1 plus 1 2, 2 plus 2 4. Whatever the lecturer teaches you, cram, memorize it, go to exam hall, garbage in, garbage out. You are a school scholar. If you think and add anything from your brain, they'll mark you bad. That means the school system train and mentor us to become an employee because those will be teaching us that employees are getting salary. If they understood what entrepreneurship is, they will not be collecting salary. So for the fact that they're collecting salary, that means they will train and mentor you to be like them. That is why the school system practically teaches us to go to school, get a good certificate, and get a good job. Job is spelled J-O-B, which simply means just obey your boss. If somebody gives you a job today, you must obey him. Every good employees must obey their boss because your boss will tell you when to come to work, when to close from work, how much he will pay you. And the fact is that anybody that is paying you salary will use your time, whether you agree with me or not. The person will use your energy. The person will use your intellectual property. And the person pays you salary at the end of the month. Funny enough, nobody ever became rich and wealthy by receiving salary. Go and find out. The top 1,000 rich and wealthy people in the world, no, they became rich and wealthy through salary. Go and come back to Nigeria, look at it. The top 1,000 rich and wealthy people in Nigeria, none of them made it to the top through salary. You know why? Because salary is a bribe given to an employee to forget about their dreams in life. You did not hear what I said. I said that salary is a bribe given to an employee to forget about forget about their dreams in life. My mother worked for Akwa Ibom State government for 35 years. My mother retired last December. The government of Akwa Ibom State told my mother that for the past 8 years in Akwa Ibom State, they have not been paying gratuity in Akwa Ibom State. That means government scammed my mother of her money. That my mother's certificate she used to work, I cannot inherit that certificate na scam. Government na scam. Now let me do something today. If my father was a medical doctor and my father died as a medical doctor, maybe I go cry. After crying, can I also go and inherit my father's certificate and say, oh, my father is late, me too, look at it, I'm a medical doctor? No, certificate na scam. If my father was a lecturer and my father read so many books, published so many articles, born midnight candle, became a professor, professor of law, professor of science, professor, and my father died as a professor, the question remains, can I also inherit my father's certificate and say, me too, I'm a professor? I cannot do that. Certificate na scam. And looking at this, let me tell you the story you need to think about. If my father owned a plaza, business, opportunity, companies, and my father owned even this seat industry, bottled water industry, and my father died as the CEO of that company, leaving me the only surviving son, for example, am I the owner of that business? The answer is yes. People spend their life and their time building businesses their children cannot inherit from. But let me ask you a wonderful thing to think about this evening. If you bring monkey and kid now, put banana in front of monkey, put 10 million naira in front of monkey, ask monkey to choose one. Which one do you think he will choose? Banana. Monkey doesn't know that 10 million naira can buy him a banana plantation, not banana tree. Banana plantation he will eat for the rest of his life. He doesn't know that because he wasn't trained and educated to know that. Monkey is a smart animal. We can train monkey and educate him to understand. The same thing happens to people that go to school. Anybody that go to school, when the person finish school, put job in front of that person, put opportunity in front of that person, ask him to choose one. Which one do you think he will choose? Job. He go rush job like monkey rush banana. You know, say that job na scam. Somebody that giving you job will use you. Now look at Nigerian government. They have suddenly increased the retirement age for teachers from 65 years to 75 years. That means government want to use you like 5 and 6 for 75 years. That after retirement, 75 years, burial. Government not get you for mine. So make haste when the sun shine. We have left a generation whereby you need certificate to succeed to the generation called the computer economy. In the computer economy, that was when Bill Gates, the school dropout, was building, installing Microsoft on laptops, on systems, and he became the richest man in the world. You know, Bill Gates is no more the richest man in the world right now, or the richest and wealthy guy in the world, right? So suddenly we move from that generation to this generation called the sharing economy. So in the sharing economy, ideas rules the world. In my generation, the beautiful part about my generation is that you don't need certificate. What you need is certificate. Certificate was needed as in the industrial economy. What you need here is certificate, not certificate. You must be mentally smart and sound. I tell people, if you want to be successful in this generation, you need to conceive an idea, because in my generation, ideas rules the world. In my generation, you can conceive a world-class idea from the comforts of your room. With a lot of data and internet, you can control the whole world from the comforts of your room. So this evening, I want to challenge you by showing you some forward-thinking, smart, business-minded individuals who have taken advantage of this generation that are making millions of naira already. Just to mention a few tonight, let's start by talking about Uber. Uber has been ranked as the world's largest taxi company in the world. Own no vehicle. Well, most of us know Uber. Uber doesn't have a vehicle. Uber only have a system that connects human being to taxi that are making 25%. People buy their car, fuel their car, maintain their car. Uber, they are the one who carry passenger from one location to another. Uber makes 25%. Tell your neighbor system. System is Uber has a system of residual income. Now look at APMP. APMP has been ranked as the world's largest accommodation provider in the world. Own no real estate. Simply connecting human being to accommodation. APMP are making 30%. Look at Facebook, the world's most popular media provider. Creates no content. Question number one. Who created, most of us have a Facebook account. Who created your Facebook account? You created your Facebook account. Who will post on your timelines and walls? You are the one to post on your timelines and walls. Your friends will like it, comment on it, share it. Some of us do what they call Facebook boosting, and Mark Zuckerberg is making money, connecting human being to human being that are making money. Look at Instagram, the world's most valuable photo company in the world. Sells no camera, connecting human being to photos online. You're making money. Look at Netflix, the fastest growing television network, lays no cable. Alibaba, the world's most valuable retailer in the world, has no inventory. Why am I telling you these stories tonight? I want you to think. Why do I want you to think? Because none of these 6 companies existed 20 years ago. None of them. That means what I'm about to share with you tonight never existed 20 years ago. So if you bring a 20 years mindset to argue with us, there's no need, because person will no and in no say in no. Waiting in the column. As you don't know, and you don't know, you don't know. So you better keep your mind open, listen, learn, unlearn, and relearn. Because the illiterate of the 21st century are not those who cannot read and write. They are those who cannot learn, unlearn, and relearn. So tonight, I would like to take questions at the end of my program tonight, my business presentation. So write your questions down, open up your mind, and never be negative, because negative things happen to negative people. Positive things happen to what? Positive people. You must be open-minded, because the sky can be your starting point. There's always a light at the end of the tunnel. So just imagine there's a system that allows you to get paid just by sharing information made available to you. Our company will provide you information on your text message, on your WhatsApp. Your responsibility is to share. In the sharing economy, you must be a sharer. So as you share this information, whoever that sees the information, click on it, buy a slot, company pay you money, and the money comes in every day, every single day of their life. Some people are telling me, Fund, I cannot share information. I don't like to share information. Really? That is not true. Because last December, you have sent so many text messages and WhatsApp messages to your family and friends. Merry Christmas. Of course, this year, January 2021, you have sent so many text messages and WhatsApp messages to your family and friends. Happy New Year. Question number 1, did MTN network pay for doing that? The answer is no. Did Glo pay for doing that? The answer is no. Did Etisalat or Airtel pay for doing that? The answer is no. You didn't get a pay, but our company says we are going to provide you information on your text and your WhatsApp. That thing you used to do before without a pay, you do it this time around. Of course, we pay you for doing that. The company pay you for doing that. And you're telling me you cannot share information. You don't want to share information. Really? Let me be honest to you. An average human being that have a cell phone has over 100 contacts in his phone. And you have information that will have changed those 100 contacts' lives financially. You did not share with them. Now, when those 100 contacts have financial problems, they will call you and share their financial problems with you. That if you don't give them money to solve their financial problems, they will look at you as somebody that is wicked and stingy. And if you give them money to solve their financial problems, that means you are giving a man fish. Once you give a man fish, you feed him for a day. If you teach him how to fish, you feed him for a lifetime. So tonight, the company has changed people's life financially. And then we are asking you a question: will you share it and get paid every day, or will you walk away? Okay, if you share this information to your contact and we train them We have them on the Millionaire School. We train them for 6 months in the Millionaire School about core values in life, money masterclass, how to make money, manage money, grow money, financial intelligence, emotional intelligence. If we train and mentor them to make money every day, it takes us 6 months to train and mentor somebody to make 1 million naira every month for the rest of your life till you die. Okay, if we train and mentor them, the company is 15 years in the world, 9 years in Nigeria. I am 5 years in the company. If we train and mentor them to make money every day, question number one, if they are making money, would they ever call you and beg you for money? No. Number two, they will become self-independent. Number three, they will forever remain grateful to you for teaching and showing how to fish. Okay, the fact is this. Why do we have to put them in the Millionaire School? Because person will go medical school, when the person graduates, the person become a medical doctor. Person will go law school, when you graduate, become a lawyer. Person will go Millionaire School, okay, when you graduate, become a multi-millionaire. So now I want to ask you a question. You are going to share and get paid every day, or you walk away. If you are going to share, go to the chat box and type 1. I want to see your comment on the chat box. If you are going to share this information and get paid every day, go to the chat box and type 1. I want to see your comment on the chat box. Type 1, type 1, type 1. Thank you so much, Cynthia. Thank you. A lot of you are typing 1. Congratulations. Thank you so much. And now, we are living in the world of opportunities. Let's look for business model inside the sharing economy. Why do we have to look for business model inside the sharing economy? Simple, because most of us have what they call one source of income. So all your bills depend on that income. I can see a man that can work from January 2020 last year till December last year. The man worked so hard. The man made a lot of money, but the man have little or no savings. You know why? Because all the man's bills and responsibility depend on one source of income. And you know the funny thing about life, all of us, you spend money every day. When you wake up in the morning, you put toothpaste on your toothbrush to brush your mouth. You are spending money, because now money you carry buy that toothpaste. Now you are pressing it out. You are pressing some percent of the money out. If you keep doing that, or get the gospel to you, one day the toothpaste will finish, and you go back and buy another one. Once you wake up in the morning, you grab your bathing suit, take your bath, you are spending money. You enter keke, buy fuel, buy gas. We spend money every day, so we deserve to make money every day. If nobody has told you this, me, I'm telling you that all of us deserve to make money every day. We are not just telling you, we're going to show you a business opportunity tonight. Not just show you. We held you by the hand, mentor you for 6 months, and you make 1 million. You make money every day. There is abundance in my generation. We don't have scarcity anywhere. We only have scarcity mindset. Finish. There's so much abundance for all of us. Please let me touch yourself. Say, I'm a millionaire. Touch yourself. Say, I'm a success, and I pray for you. Money will meet money in your hand. Say amen. The worst problem that can affect a man once of income is called village people. You see, village people, they are probably no they ever finish. If you doubt me, ask people where they are abroad. Ask where they will do Yibo. Since they left Nigeria to diaspora, they have been sending money to Nigeria every time. Now the question is that, have you finished solving your village problem? No, you cannot finish solving the problem, because each time because people think that you are in diaspora, you are in Obodo Yibo, that you are sweeping money on the street of Obodo Yibo. They think say when they block money for free. That's why the way they ask you the money, like say that they give you the money, me help them keep for them. Uncle send me £100, auntie send me €100, auntie send me $100. Okay, stop sending money to them, because once you keep giving them fish, you keep giving them fish. Share information to them for them to be successful. They will not ask you for money again. You know what, I'm super excited this evening. People don't want to talk about money. Money has been a controversial issue. We don't want to talk about it in church, in family, in relationship. We dodge about it because we don't want to go there. But money is the reason why most people are jumping up and down. So let me just use 2 minutes to talk about money. Let me borrow from my friend, my mentor, my coach, Robert Kiyosaki, who wrote a book called Cash Flow Quadrant. The man practically told us that everybody in this life, we make money from 4 major ways. Number one, you can either make money as an employee, or self-employed, or a business owner, or an investor. So as an employee, you make money by becoming and by owning a job. You must have a job. That means somebody has to employ you for you to trade your time for money. He has to tell you when to go to work, when to close, and how much to pay you. So it's less rewarding. You follow others, less fixed wages, and you trade your time for money, and you build other people's empire, because anytime you don't build your dreams, people hire you to build their dreams. A lot of competition in workplace. You know, somebody that received salary 100,000 last year, now your salary is like 75,000, because the value of money in the market has reduced by 25%. So you're working, you work for salary that can never solve, and your child cannot even inherit your job. You are doing like this, my job, okay? If anything happened to you today, before we say Jack Robinson, somebody says is replacing you. All what I want to say is that Don't quit your job, fine and good, but you need to open your mind. Have a side hustle, have a business that can augment your income. Even though you're a busy person, we can teach and mentor you as a busy person to make what we call supplementary income, to make what they call significant income. Just be open-minded to opportunities. See, in this life, people became poor because poor is spelled P-O-O-R, because P means passing, O means over, O means opportunities, R means repeatedly. Whenever a man keep passing over opportunities repeatedly, he tends to be a poor man. People keep telling me, Engineer Fund, I have never seen opportunity before in my life. It's not true. Opportunity happens to everybody every single day of our life. So like that tonight, I'm about to show you a life-changing business opportunity, change your financial life, 360 round. All we need, just give us a few minutes of now. We're going to call it a day. Now, these guys, they call themselves self-employed. We know them now. We know all the self-employed people. Keke man, Okada man, laundry man, baba, mechanic, tailor, seamstress. People that says, I don't want to work for somebody. I don't want somebody to work for me. So they trade their time for money. For example, for any keke man to make money, he must do keke to collect money. The man is not feeling fine, keke is not feeling fine. For anybody that have a shop that doesn't employ anybody, for him to make money, he must be in that shop, open the shop to make sales, to make money. That means when he's not in that shop, the shop is closed, he's not making money. Otherwise, stop you from thinking outside the box. Why not employ somebody to be there? Why must you be doing everything by yourself? Because see, they don't understand how to make money. They do that, they're not leveraging in this life. Either somebody is leveraging on you or you're leveraging on somebody. So the best thing to do is to employ someone. From the day you employ somebody, you become an employer of labor or a business owner. And every business owner will do one thing in common. All of us, you own a system. People work for you. System is spelled S-Y-S-T-E-M, which means save yourself stress, time, energy, and money. Every rich and wealthy man have a system of residual income. You know, owning a system is a capital-intensive project. But tonight, we are going to show you a system less than 50,000 naira. We hold you by the hand, mentor you for 6 good months for you to make 1 million naira every month in that business. And I want to ask a question tonight. People that work for a good number of years, they save 10%, 15% of their money. Maybe they have a lot of money. They are not leveraging on that money. We call them investors. Outside these 4 weeks, nobody makes money in this life. That's why I want to move straight ahead to give us 10 reasons why people say yes to the companies. 10 reasons why I say yes. 10 reasons why you need to say yes tonight. Number 1 is the fact that it's a one-time lifetime business law registration. Now, for any business or any company to be legal in any part of the world, that business must be registered with the government of that country. For example, for your business to be legal in Nigeria, your business has to be registered with the Corporate Affairs Commission. We call it CAC. Once you are done doing that, you have to go to what we call Federal Inland Revenue Service to collect what we call tax identification number. Once you are not doing that, your business is not legal in Nigeria. So the company says you need to get a business lot that covers the legal part of this business so that you can drop your account number and you enroll in the Millionaire School so that we can work with you, train you, mentor you online, offline, on Zooms, and you can become. In the Millionaire School, you need 2 textbooks. Look at the 2 textbooks here. So you buy the 2 textbooks right now, or go to any bookshop in the world, get the 2 textbooks. We're going to train you, mentor you to become successful. You cannot afford the 2 textbooks, don't worry. We'll give you the PDF format on your WhatsApp just for you to do. You get a notebook because the weakest ink is stronger than the strongest memory. So as you join the Millionaire School, as we train you, you share for you to get paid. That means you are not doing the business. Company will not pay you because this company is not a Ponzi scheme. We are not cryptocurrency. We are not charity organization. We are not a money doubling company. This is a business. So you do the business, you get paid. You don't do the business, company don't pay you. So whatsoever sharing text, WhatsApp, you can do it part-time. For me, company pays me every day. Company has paid me 5 years now. This makes me 6 years. I've earned over 600 million. This company has taken me to more than 10 countries in the world. For me, I don't like showing my life because it's my personal life, it's my private life. And I know the money is so much, it's scary these days. But I would like to show you guys my life. You know why? A Nigerian man wants to see results. We love to say, seeing is believing, a result cancel insult. So last year, 1 month, last year, company paid me small money because there was coronavirus, total lockdown in Nigeria, business was not moving fine. So I will afford to show you that month. And that month is the month of October. 1st of October 2020 last year was on a Thursday. Company paid me 182,000 naira. On the 2nd of October was on a Friday. Company paid me, talking to you, 573,000 naira. You are asking me, are you sure? Is it? I say, calm down. Company doesn't pay on Saturdays and Sundays because banks don't work in Nigeria. So the following Monday was 5th of October. Company paid me over 687,000. On the 6th of October was on a Tuesday, 582,000 company pay me. Wednesday was 7th, company pay me over 300,000. On Thursday was 8th, over 503,000. On Friday, over 390,000 naira. I can't even show you my account balance. It's so scary. You see people like us, we travel to Dubai, we buy hotel apartments, we buy condominiums, we buy, of course, that's where we spend our money. And when we come back to Nigeria, people are telling us, okay, life is difficult. I say, well, life is difficult. I don't understand why you're talking about life is difficult because there's abundance. So Saturday and Sunday did not get a pay. So the following Monday was 12th of October 2020. Company paid me talking to you 685,000. On Tuesday, company paid me on the 13th over 367,000. On Wednesday 14, company paid over 306,000. On Thursday 15, over 2.1 million naira in a day. I want to ask a question. Am I qualified to mentor you to make 20,000 every day of your life? The answer is yes. Okay, you don't follow a man that knows the way to Lagos. You follow a man that knows the way to Lagos. Take people to Lagos. Take people to Lagos. He knows the way. Money making is not by certificate. Money making is by certificate. Money making is not by power. If money making was by power, people that carry Dangote cement from trailer to the warehouse, they would have become the richest people today in the society. If money making was by power, people that push wheelbarrow in Nigerian market, they would have become the richest people today in the society. Money making is not by power. Money making is a skill. People live their life on earth. They never understood the skill of making money. They are broke, struggling financially. Look, they are too busy to learn how to make money. Or sometimes we look at them, we just laugh. We know this man doesn't know the skill. And look at me today. Look at my 5th car. This car gives me so much respect I don't deserve. I got this car 3 years ago for 18 million naira. Number one, this car doesn't use shock. This is Formatic, Mercedes-Benz. It uses balloons. So when you enter any gallop in Nigerian road with this car, the feeling inside the car, you say go no. There's a difference between car and motor. They are not the same thing. Okay, let me tell you. Look at me today. My friends tell me, you need to move to 100 million naira mansion of course, in the billionaire estate. There's a swimming pool, a car park, a gym. Next month, I'm moving to 100 million naira mansion. From face me and face you within 5 years. Okay, how will I become super rich and wealthy if I did not say yes to this business tonight? Of course, when I said yes. And the company give us unlimited free product. We call it gift check. The company give us free international trips. Since my parents gave birth to me, I have never boarded a flight before in my life. The first time I ever boarded a flight, this company took me to Dubai. My very face in Dubai, I saw skyscrapers. I folded my hand and said, Chai, poverty is bad. Poverty is a sin. And I told myself money is good. And you know what good news about that? That was 2016. Out of 120 Nigerian delegates, they come to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Manila. Look at me. You are asking me, are you sure? I've gotten to this extent. Okay, 20, of course, 18. 2017, company gave me a slot to come with this is me, this is my beautiful wife, this is my man Paul, of course, this is my billionaire ambassador, my mentor, this is my wife, this is me, of course, look at me, this is my billionaire ambassador, my mentor, of course, 2018, company give me a slot to train and mentor 19 people. I train them, mentor them, take them to Dubai, Abu Dhabi, Manila, all expense paid trip because traveling is part of education. Poor men don't go on vacation, poor man vacation a village, where they go village. Okay, they travel, you need to probably expose. 2019, company gave me a slot with 28 people free of charge, all expense paid trip. Okay, of course, last year, I took a lot of people before the lockdown to Dubai. And we have got a yacht cruise in Dubai. We have some fun in Dubai. Traveling is good. Everybody needs to enjoy at least all expense paid trip. And this year, next month, we are traveling by April free of charge. You want to join us by April next year, go to the chat box and type one. I want to see your comment on the chat box. You want to join us next month, April 2021. We travel 2-3 times in a year. Of course, by September, if you miss April, don't miss September. September, we are thinking of spending time in Las Vegas, Bahamas, Maldives, Seychelles. You are interested, go to the chat box. I want to see your comment on the chat box. Type 2. I want to see you. And of course, this is me with the board of our partners companies. And of course, look at my life today. My life has not remained the same as since I say yes to the company. And our company practically pays us in 9 different ways. Because of my time tonight, I will share 2 ways with us. I will take questions and I'll call it a day. Number 1, the company says anybody you share the business with and the person say yes, the company reward you. What they call reward bonus of 4,500 naira. Help me tell your neighbor small money. Of course, it's small money. Now, whenever 2 customers say yes, company reward us with a matching reward of 7,000 naira. Help me tell your neighbor small money. Of course, it's small money. Now, why is the company rewarding us? Because we are sharing information on our text message, on our WhatsApp. So when you get your slot tonight, we'll add you on our Millionaire School. We are going to provide you all the information on your text message, on your WhatsApp. Your job is to share. Tell your neighbor, share. Share, because in the shared economy, you must be a sharer. Company pay, for example, this is you. And of course, we add you on the Millionaire School. And you share the business to your friend Fatima. Fatima got a slot, company paying 4-5. You share with your friend Akboss. Akboss got a slot, company paying 4-5. Now 2 of your friends have gotten a slot. Company give you extra 7,000 naira in your account, making your money 4-5 plus 4-5, 9,000 naira plus 7,000. That gives you 16,000 naira. Oga, make I no lie you. We in Naija will be. Oga, see what I do. Me, I carry 1,000 naira. Load data on my phone. Share this message to all my WhatsApp contacts. Each time 2 customers say it's going to be 16,000 naira. I got 1,000 for data, 15,000 inside my pocket. May I ask you a question? Is it a bad business? It's not a bad business. We are busy sharing information, part-time, space time, 1 hour, 2 hours. We just do it part-time. We are making money every day. To be honest, I'm frank with you. If you share information, your friends say yes, you must do one thing for us. Intentionally enroll these 2 guys in the Millionaire School. Why do you have to do that intentionally? Because success is not an accident. Success is intentional. Success is like someone that went to a medical school. You don't go to a medical school by accident. You go to a medical school intentionally to become what? A medical doctor. You go to a law school intentionally to become what? A lawyer. And of course, you come to a Millionaire School intentionally to become what? A multi-millionaire. And I'm telling you today, once you say yes to this business, of course, the sky will be yours. They will train and mentor you to become a super rich and wealthy person. And then if you train and mentor these 2 guys to share information as they go out into information, company pay the same amount of money, 4, 5, and 7,000 naira. But for you who did nothing, the company says whenever a customer say yes on the left and the right, company must pay you 7,000. The more the customer say yes left and right, whether you know them or not, 7,000 naira must enter your account till infinity. This is how I made 600 million naira in 5 years. Let me tell you 2 short stories. Number 1, when MTN network came to Nigeria, MTN network is owned by South African government. So of course they meet Obasanjo. The Chief Obasanjo was the president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria. Obasanjo, you are the president, number 1 man in Nigeria. We need to settle you so I can clear road for us, move run business in Nigeria. Obasanjo looked at them and laughed. You know what Obasanjo said? He said, I know how a rich man think. You will settle me, but not one-time settlement. We need to sign MOU, Memo of Understanding, that each time a Nigerian load 100 naira a time, Una will give me 1 naira. And they signed the MOU. Now, do you know the population of Nigeria? Over 200 million people. Do you know people that use MTN network in Nigeria? Over 20 million people use MTN network in Nigeria. Each time we load ATM 100 naira, this guy make 1 naira, 1 naira. It's called residual income. It's called leverage. Now, let me tell you another story you need to think about. When Coke came to Nigeria, Coca-Cola, Coke meet Chief Obafemi Awolowo, the ceremonial president of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, one time. They told Awolowo, we need to settle you. We need to run package for Nigeria. And Awolowo say, I know how a rich man think. You go settle me. But not like that. Not one-time settlement. We need to sign MOU. They sign MOU, Memo of Understanding. Each time a bottle of Coke is open in Nigeria, Awolowo make 3 naira. Awolowo has died. And the family are still collecting 3 naira, 3 naira, 3 naira. I don't know how true it is, but I know money is coming into the account. And the good news is this: it's called residual income. It's called leverage. Poor men would have collected the money bulk. By now they are in broke again. You know, some people are broke and poor in life because you associate with poor people a lot. Stop associating with the poor man. There's a law called the law of association. That law says that we are the average of 5 of our friends. You know what that simply means? That means that anytime, any day you want to become a poor person in this life, you don't need fasting and prayer. All you need to do is to associate with 5 poor people, 5 broke people. You become the next 6 person. You know why? Because a poor man discusses human being every time. Church, mind you, bad politics. Things that don't bring money into their pocket. You want to become rich and wealthy, associate with 5 rich and wealthy men, you become the next 6 person. If you're doubting me, listen, I'm telling you, Oga, make a statistics tonight. Call the most 5 closest people you have. Ask them question. Oga, I'm not coming to borrow money from you. I'm running statistics. How much do you have in your account? How much do you have in your account? Add the money together, divide it by 5. You go shock you, say now almost the same amount of money when you get per account. That will tell you, stop telling your dreams to dream stealers. Most of us would have been doing far better in life if you are not sharing your dreams to these dream stealers. I was living in Face Me and Face You. When they showed me in that Face Me and Face You I was living, I was having big dreams, big goals. But in the morning, I'll wake up and share my dreams with poor people. They will tell me it doesn't work, it cannot work. They destroy my dreams for me. The day I told all my compound people, all my Face Me and Face You, From today, we know they quarrel, but day your day, make I day my day. I know they talk to them again. I began to look for people that is successful in this life, and I began to associate with them like that. My life turned 360 round. 7 years down the line, I'm a multi-millionaire. Most of them are still living in that face I face you. They have a small mindset can never give you a big life. Poverty is mindset. Poverty is contagious. You don't need wealth is mindset. Mindset. The way you set your mind determines why you're going to be rich and wealthy. Now look at this today. The company's vision is clear. The company is creating 100,000 entrepreneurs that will make $10,000 or 4 million naira every month before the year 2025 ends. So far, so good. The company have done over 30,000 self-made multi-millionaire. I'm part of them. The company pays me more than 4 million naira for the past 3 years of my life. There is no month I earn less than 4 million naira. Even though I'm sleeping, I don't talk to anybody, and company pays me every single day of my life. And I'm happy to let you know that the company has a plan for everybody. You know why we have a plan? Because he that failed to plan to fail. If you fail to plan in this life, you have a big plan to fail in life. So plan for yourself, plan for your future, key into visions and plan. Your life, the sky will be your starting point. So we have a plan to teach an average Nigerian to make at least 1.7 million in 2 months. Whether you go school, you no go school. We just want to be open-minded, be innovative. Now look at the plan. It's very simple. Let's say this is you. You attend our business meeting tonight, you got your slot tonight, join the Millionaire School tonight, and we start a business meeting for you. Training tomorrow morning. In your first 1 week, we train and mentor you to share information. Only 2 customers buys a slot. Company pay you 7,000 naira. That is small money. Tell your neighbor small money. It's small money. Even if you don't do anything for us, we got to do one thing for us. Enroll these 2 guys intentionally in the Millionaire School. It's free of charge. Millionaire School is we choose to do it free of charge as a corporate social responsibility. So if we train and mentor these 2 guys to share information on week 2, of course they share information. 4 of their friends say yes. Each of them goes in with 7,000. You for doing nothing, company pays 7,001, 7,002. That gives you 14,000. In the next 2 months, company has paid you 1.7 million naira in your account. Now the question remains: if you started a business less than 50,000 naira, and we held you by the hand, mentor you for 6 months, you did not make 1.7 million, you make 1.5 million. Be honest to me, is that a bad business? It's not a bad business. Let's say I'm talking like a Nigerian man. We show you a business, you started a business, 50,000 naira. We train and mentor you for free for 6 months. Okay, for 2 months for a start. You did not make 1.7 million, you did not make 1.5 million, you make 1.2 million, 1,700,000, even 800,000. Is that a bad business? It is not a bad business. Okay, we hold our Zoom meetings every day, 7 p.m., Monday to Sunday, every evening. We are always here, educating people, training people, mentoring people to become super rich and super wealthy. So you can join us tomorrow. And now we're having a wealth conference. I'm in New York right now. I'm in my office in New York. I could not even go home. I normally do this from my house, but today I had to work so hard. I could not go home. So if you're in New York, come and visit our office in New York. Our office number 3, Sika Avenue. That is 2 lane by IBB roundabout. That is the IBB roundabout. So from Accra Road, you see, once you enter 2 lane, the first story building, the Stevenson House, that is where our office is. Meet us tomorrow, 11 o'clock. I would like to meet with you. You are in New York. We have about 38 offices in Nigeria. And of course, we have been in Nigeria for 9 years. I am 5 years in the business. So I'm happy to let you know that if you're a busy man, actually you are a busy man, you love what you do, you're a doctor, you're an accountant, you're a pastor, you're a bishop, whatever you are, you just love what you do. But you have been thinking recently, what can I do with my time so that I can make a list? What can I do with my part-time? What can I do with my spare time to make some money to help my life? So right now, tonight, I'm here to give you a good news. If you're a busy man, we can actually work with you online, offline, part-time to make or spare time to make what we call residual income or supplementary income, something to supplement your salary. Actually, we don't give busy people 1 week. We give every busy person 1 month because we know so you don't get time. So anytime when you get, at least attend our business meeting, attend our Millionaire School. At least can be updated at least once or twice. We can do makeup class for you. Now, in 1 month, let's say you only share information because you don't get time to share information. Only 2 customers say yes, company paying 7,000 naira. Let's even say that you did not do anything, right? About practical, you mentor these 2 guys and enroll them in the Millionaire School. We train and mentor them. Of course, in 2nd month of February, 4 customers say yes. Each of them, company paid them 7,000. You, for doing nothing, company pay you 7,001, 7,002. You have earned 14,000. In the next 1 year from now, of course, company must have paid you over 17.2 million naira for just sharing information, and the sky will be yours as extra source of income. I want to ask you a question. This money is small money. Do you know why I call it small money? I showed you my white Mercedes Benz. I got 3 years ago, 18 million naira. But this money cannot buy my car. That you did not go to school, cannot speak good English, I can mentor you to make this money. Just be open-minded. Number one, hate poverty. Number two, don't associate with poor people, poor things in life. Number three, as you hate poverty, hate laziness. Don't be lazy in this life, because there's no free food, even in Freetown. You must do something to earn something. Person when no plant cassava stick, you go harvest cassava and thief. You must plant something. Anywhere you go, somebody say, okay, you no go do anything, you go make money, run away. So just to share text, share information, WhatsApp, you make money every day. You are telling me you cannot share information. There's abundance everywhere. Okay, let me just talk like a Nigerian man, right? You got a business loan less than 50,000, but less than 45,000. We mentor you for 1 year. You did not make 17.2 million. You make 15 million. Is that a bad business? It's not a bad business. Okay. What if you make 12 million, 10 million, 7 million, even 6 million? It's not a bad, because you can afford yourself a forward-thinking car. Okay. This car is born again. This car is speaking in tongues. You need a good car in your life, because it will change a lot around you. Get a good land about it, help people, buy land, support, travel around the world, enjoy a lot of it, because life was meant to be worked and enjoyed, not to work. Some people work and look older than their age. You look at them, okay? You guys, okay, which year were you born? They can be telling you can get a good home for yourself. And now, if you get one business slot, the company policy says the maximum they pay you in a day is 210,000. You know why? Because company know that if they pay you more than that, the company will liquidate. They will fold, they will go bankrupt. So company says we cannot pay more than 210,000 in a day. That was the reason why I went and borrowed money from my uncle, because when I was shown the business, I was broke, I was poor. I borrowed money for 3 slots. And because I'm not just 3 slots alone, I was being mentored and trained to make up to 630,000 in a day, 4.4 in a week, 18.9 million in a month. Even if it's 20%, okay, it's not a bad business. And look at part of the people I also train. Okay, look at Vivian. I mentored her for 8 days. She has made 500,000. Look at Lydia. I told you I mentored her for 3 weeks. She has made over 1 million. This is my friend Ebenezer Atumetokpe, who has made 1.8 million in 3 weeks. And I mentored this beautiful lady and a lovely husband to make 1.9 million in 42 days. And look at me. I was also trained and mentored. And they trained and mentored me to make 1.8 million in my first 1 month. I was sharing message and information, and if you get 7 business slots, company says you can earn up to 1.4 million naira in a day. Mr. Nnamdi Anyachuku earned 7.4 million in 3 weeks. This man relocated from Nigeria to US. He now lives at Atlanta, Georgia. He's a big boy, and I'm thinking of joining him, because every time we chat, even today we chatted, I even called him. He keep telling me, from what I see do in Nigeria. Nigeria is a village. There's no good road, and it's true. There's no constant electricity in Nigeria, and it's true. Like in my house, I have 3 generators in my house. Imagine me, 3 generators. There's power plants in my house. I have a security man, and I told my security man, if lights off for this house, 10 minutes, pack your load and go. So my security man doesn't sleep at night. He stays like this and watch generator till they break. Tell your neighbor, money is good. Tell your neighbor again, money is good. Poverty is bad, though. It will never be your portion, and I pray for you. Money will meet money in your hand. Say amen. We partner with Access Bank of Nigeria for 9 years, Eco Bank of Nigeria for 9 years, Zenith Bank of Nigeria for 9 years, because you submit your account number, you get paid. NAFDAC, because we have a lot of product the company gives to you, free product, free training, mentorship program, all our partners companies, and some of the physical product we have, look at them here. I have some of them on my table right now in my office in New York. Look, I have a lot of products. All of them are all NAFDAC certified. All the products, a lot of the products, free of charge. You don't pay, it's called gift check. And one of our major partners is called Nature's Way. Nature's Way is located in Utah, USA. You can see, of course, I've been in US for the past 50 years. Take a screenshot of it, Google it on the internet. This product was sent to us from Nature's Way. You can see, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria, NAFDAC number here. You can see this other one too, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria, NAFDAC number is here. This one too, manufactured by Nature's Way, distributed in Nigeria, NAFDAC number is here. Company same product for us, time to time is free of charge. This is our major partner. I'm happy to let you know you have a lot to gain. Excellent health, asset acquisition, free international trade, brand new cars, time freedom. You have nothing to lose. And we have achievement and award. The company has produced over 30,000 self-made multimillionaires for the past 15 years. And I'm part of them. I'm happy to let you know that we started in March 2006. We have been in over 100 countries in the world. And now we have been doing convention, not in hall, but in stadium. The first I saw, they did not believe myself until when I left Nigeria. 120 Nigerian delegates, look at me here. Millions of people all over the world, look at me here. You are asking me, are you sure? Is it real? When I came back to Nigeria, this is me. I saw Francis Duru buying his own slot. Segun Arinze, one of the popular Nollywood actors. Even Father was buying so many slots for his parish member. He was telling us story how he used to share the slot in his church after morning mass. He share it to his church member. Those where they work with salary, they okay. Those where no get work to do, Father they support them. Father is a good man. I'm not a Catholic member, but I love Father. From this very day I saw this Father do this thing. When we launched our office in Abuja, Of course, we invited the President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Alhaji Muhammad Buhari. Buhari no come, oh. He said the Vice President make him come. That is the Vice President of the Federal Republic of Nigeria, Professor Yemi Osibanjo San. One of his ministers was came alongside with him, and that's Dr. Ngige. And look at Kanu Wankwo, is a brand ambassador of our company. His brother Gbonna, and of course, look at the board of directors of our partners company. In the middle is the visionary president, Dr. Eduardo Cabaton, the CEO of the company, the billionaire engineer Francis Miguel, Mr. Jonas Sprain. Engineer, from the way your mouth they move like this, you don't see these men before. Of course, yes, now they come to Nigeria 2 to 3 times in a year. Look at the first time I met them at Sheraton Hotel in Lagos. Look at my face very well. I was just escaping from poverty. Can you see my face? I was just escaping from poverty. Now look at me. Exactly 1 year after, this same man you saw, that same man you saw, this time if you touch my forehead, okay, you can see oil down. Even they see the way like they reflect off my face. Now I don't touch money now. Look at me now. I'm driving my 5th car, enjoying my life, living my life in my own terms, from the comfort of my home. I do my business part-time, spare time, and I'm making money, train and mentor engineering. This Akituko, I practically train this guy, mentor him, take him around the world. He's a multi-millionaire, buying cars, building houses, supporting everybody around him. Kesen Korok has bought MD Sakura for the father. I train and mentor, of course, Mr. Philip, engineer Franklin Engineer, Diana Basi David, Mr. Ubong Sam, Mr. Amy Cute, they are buying cars, building houses. I've been a business for 5 years. Mr. Anthony Wose and Mamayene Paul. Of course, she has bought 2 cars, already built a duplex. Chuku Somuzo, Chuku, so many stories. Time will fail me to share. Mrs. Hannah Okondo, I want to round up my program tonight by asking you a question. How big is your dream? Ask your neighbor this question. How close are you to achieving your dreams? Do you have big dreams of giving your children good education, family vacation? Say yes to this company. You have big dreams of giving your children a dream home. You are tired of paying rent. You are tired of landlord harassment and embarrassment. You want to be your own boss. You want to work from home. Do you need extra income? Do you need financial freedom? What do you want in this life? 6 million children die of starvation every year. You want to add value to the generation around us. That's why this year, December, we are launching a foundation. We are feeding 1 million families this year. And of course, we are drilling 10 boreholes in 10 communities. And I'm happy to let you know that we're going to do this for a start. And that's why we are, what about retirement? Don't worry. By April, this next month, we are traveling all expense paid trip. September, we are spending time. You want to join us around the world, a car program for you to buy your dream car, your real estate program. So we have everything for you as we round our program. Let us read this together with me. Starting from here. 1, together, go. People don't have the patience to build a business for 3 years, but they have the patience to go to work for 40 years. You know, read them with me. I say we could read them together. People no get patient for this life when me and you did to do business for 3 years. But they get patient, they go work for 40 years, they collect salary. Okay? Look at how we look for job in Nigeria. Job no day Nigeria again. And 250 children are born every minute globally. Every minute, 250 children they born. Every 6 seconds. Okay? Make I tell you, you don't make it when sunshine. Okay, look at how we retire from job in Nigeria. We don't retire from job in Nigeria rich and wealthy. That's true that I tell you. We always retire from job in Nigeria with high blood pressure, with low blood pressure, with short blood pressure, with tall blood pressure, with fat blood pressure. Okay, you know what I understand. See, government wicked. Government don't increase retirement age for teachers from 65 years to 75 years. Bros, that person work for 75 years. When you retire and are burial, they will just bury you. Government no get you for mine. See, government no they pay retirees their money. My mama, they no pay my mama her gratuity. Look at what they are doing on the street. Enough is enough to pensioner suffering. Senators have mercy on us. That one senator salary for Nigeria can pay a good number of pensioner, but no go pay. You know why? Because they no carry for mine. All in the embezzle. In the embezzle, they chop the money. And look at this very well. Your child cannot inherit your job. You like make it. If without me, find person where don't work for 40 years. Ask them question. That your work we work 40 years, what did you receive now? Does it want your job? There is nothing like job security. So better get involved in our business right now, because you come to give you free package. All the product I'm talking about, whatever 70,000 now, a lot of product for free. You don't need to call it give check. Come and give free website worth 500,000, free 6-month mentorship program worth 1 million naira, and you can stand a chance of making one. The company says the money you should have used to start the business is 1,570,000. Company says you don't go pay that money on. You're not going to pay 1 million. You're not going to pay 700,000. You're not going to pay 500,000. What you should pay is 100,000. But now we're on promo. So promo is 44,888. Okay, make I don't lie you. I am in the company for 5 years. Our promo is only the first month of the year, from January 1st to January 31st. So if you blink, you miss. If you blink now, the promo will soon end. Once it ends, 100,000. So make your payment right now tonight. If you get one slot tonight, make your payment right away. Drop your account number. Get back to the person that invited you. Get the result. Company attached to you a Rising Star mentor that will mentor you for 3 years for you to make 210,000 every single day of your life. Like me, I will tell you 10%, at least 21,000. You know, bad. Make the money they come every day. If you get 3 slots, like I got my own 3 slots, drop your account number. We mentor you. 3 slots is 134,060 for today is a Wednesday. If you get your 3 slot tonight, drop your account number tonight. Tomorrow, bank will verify your account. On Friday, company pay you 16,000 naira. It's instant cash back. Company create. Welcome to the Millionaires Club. And the company also attached to you a global mentor that will make sure he will work with you for 3 years to make 630,000 every day of your life. But for me, I will tell you 10%, at least 63,000 naira. Okay, if you get for 7 slot right now, 7 slot is 700,000. But now we're on promo. So now we're on promo. The 7 slot goes for 314,216 naira. Right? So you're going to save a lot of money. Now we're on promo. So of course, you drop your account number. We will train and mentor you. And of course, if you get your slot tonight, Wednesday, tomorrow, bank will verify your account on a Friday. Company pay you 62,000 naira, instant cash back. And company says, we are attached to you an ambassador that will make sure you make 1.4 million every day of your life. It takes him 3 years. But like me, I will tell you 10%, at least 140,000. 15 slot is 1.5 million. Now we're on promo. It's 673 and 320. So you're going to save a lot of money if you're paying your 15 slot right away tonight. And then drop your account number tonight. Tomorrow, bank will verify your account. On Friday morning, company pay you 182,000 naira. And they will attach to you a light ambassador that will make sure you earn 3.1 million every single day. It takes him 3 years. Please, it's a 3 years program training. And you make money within the time. And of course, the good news is this. Even if it's 10%, that's 300,000, it's fine. The key to getting success is getting started. Look at the company project account, please. The first 20 people that will pay their money now, tonight, will attach you to the Millionaires Club tonight, Millionaires Club VIP. So I will practically work with you with some other elite ambassadors and coach and mentors from US, from Canada, from Manila, from Germany, from Spain, from Italy, all over our coach. We're going to bring them to you to mentor and train you to become super successful and super rich. And it's free training and mentoring for 6 months. So look at this very well. The first 20 people, so get back to the person that invited you, get the reservation code, make your payment to the company project account, send the evidence to the person. Of course, you are right there on board. Welcome on board. The first 20 people tonight would like to work with you. The starting point of all achievements is desire. The vision is clear. The ambassadors are there. Those who take action quickly get results faster and frequently ask questions. Number one, is the business real? Yes, of course. NAFDAC will not certify product for 9 years. Banks will not partner with the company for 9 years. Is it for me? Yes. Will I have 2 hours, 1 hour to put in the business to make between 50K to 4 million every month? Yes. Do I need to sell or market product? No. Please, all the product they give to you is for personal use. Please do that. And do I need to convince anybody? No. You only share information which you are going to put. That is the business. Connecting human being to opportunity, you get paid. That is the business. Share information. Is this a business or investment? Is it a business? Will I be given a support system to succeed? Yes. Millionaire School is when Engineer Fund, Monday to Friday, 8 o'clock to 9 o'clock. That's the Millionaire School. We do makeup classes and other time for people. How do I get started? Get your slot right away. Join the Millionaire School. Get your business tools and materials. Submit your account number and start the sharing information. That is the end of my program tonight. So you're getting your slot tonight. Of course, the first 10, 20 people that will get their slot tonight, I would like to work with you. I will take questions tonight. Please, if today is your first time or coming in, today must be your first time. You have a question for me, jam question, why question, nego question. Please go to your cell phone you are watching me, or your smart device, or your laptop. Just click on it. Once you click on it, click on more. Click on raise hand. Your hand will raise on my screen. I will take your question. You are getting your slot tonight. You just want to ask question, clarify 1 or 2 things. You are free to do that. Please, you are not getting your slot tonight. You are not. Today is not your first time. I don't want to take question from you. We have a class I take care of. Other Millionaire School classes. So before I take question, I want to give 1 or 2 announcements. I want to advise you tonight. Please, if you have this money in your account, 44,000, pay the slot tonight. You know why? Banks in Nigeria will send you happy birthday text. On your birthday, month end, they will charge you SMS charge. Bank in Nigeria will give you ATM card. They will charge you. The ATM card is still with you. They will still charge you ATM maintenance card. You know why? Because banks are looking for you to steal your money. You know, the last 2 years, I opened an account and I deposited 10,000 in one of the reputable bank in Nigeria, a current account. So when I was to do business with that account after 2 years, the account balance is minus 10,000 naira plus. Bank have collected the 10,000 naira, enter, give me and that's in the account. You know what I'm trying to make you understand? What I'm trying to make you understand is this. You don't save money in the bank. Buy your slot right now tonight because you're not regretting. Number one. Number two, We are on promo right now. So whenever we're on promo, we encourage our brothers to make deposits, part payment, instrumental pay for those that don't have the money. Because if the promo is over, the money is 100,000. But should in case you make a part payment during the promo period, so you can as well get back to the company. I made payment during the promo period, so you're just paying the difference of the promo. For example, let's say you make a deposit of 30,000 and the promo is over, you are balancing up, you are balancing 14,888 to get your package and drop your account number. That is a beautiful part of the training. We send the package to you. You only pay for way bill 1,000 or 2,000 at the point of receiving the package was 70,000. You make an instrumental pay of 20,000. You are balancing 24,888. Even if the promo is over, and you make an instrumental pay of 10,000, you are balancing 34,888. Even if it's 5,000, that is the least we can take. You can pay the money bit by bit. You can pay instrumental. There's no time frame. It's only whenever you complete the money. Number one. Number two, you can join the Millionaire School. Once you make a deposit of 5,000 and above, you can be training while you're adding up your money. So you are getting your slot right away. I want to take your question right now. You have a question. I've seen somebody here. CY, please kindly unmute yourself. Where are you calling me from? You unmute yourself. Tell us where you're calling us from. CY. You are raising up your hand. Even if I take one or two questions, I'll be fine. CY, please kindly unmute yourself. Oh, CY, please kindly unmute yourself. So sorry, I don't know what happened. You mute yourself again. So sorry. Where are you calling me from?
Hello, my name is Sriwa. I'm calling from Lagos.
Lagos. Okay, ask your question.
Okay. If I join the one of international package,
okay.
What are the things that I need to forward to? I kind of share the information I need to share to people.
Okay, we will add you on the Millionaire School, and then we'll provide you information on your WhatsApp and your text. So you all need to share. And we'll train you for 6 months to make at least 1 million every month for the rest of your life. And you get international package today is Wednesday. Tomorrow, bank will verify your account. On Friday, bank will pay you 2,000 naira. So you get back to the person that invited you, get the details, tell the person to give you my personal number. My name is Engineer Fon. I would like to work with you personally.
Okay, thank you, sir.
Yeah, thank you so much. I want to take one more question. Today is your first time coming here. You have a question for me. Please kindly unmute yourself. I would like to work with you. Just one more question. I will call it today. One more question. Today is my first time. Today is my first time coming here. I have a question. Of course, I have a question. Jam question. Why a question? I have a question. You are free to ask your question. If there is none, I think I'm fine. I think most of us have understood what I said and get back to the person that invited you. Ask your question and get your slot. Once, thank you. Before we go, I want to say very big thank you to CY for creating your time to be with us today. We are not taking it for granted. See you tomorrow by 7 p.m. is every day. Mr. Ernest Eze, God bless you. Rex, R-E-X, Rex Dauda, God bless you. Ayodele, Aduke, Sultan, Catherine Dicken, Chinazo, God bless you. Chris Ndubisi, Christopher, thank you so much. Cynthia, thank you so much. Engineer Kanu, AV Love, God bless you. Obiano Uju, God bless you. Galaxy S7H, Galaxy S7H, Gifty Chinra, Gregory C. Ifeanyi, God bless you for keeping authentic part of our program today. Infinite Hot 9, iPhone, Ishmael, God bless you. Princess, Jacob, God bless you. Juju, Falani, God bless you. Elite Ambassadors, Elite Billionaires, Kenkwo, God bless you. Abugu, Lare Dubai, Lorita from Paris, and Leo Kadio, God bless you. Salama, God bless you. Mike, okay, Orere, God bless you. I appreciate your presence tonight. Muslim, Akanbe, God bless you. Angie, God bless you. Lydia Jimo, Olaitan, God bless you. Henry, Kerry, God bless you. And Omokunle Dennis, God bless you. Oyibo Tanji, God bless you. Remy, Richard Osonde, God bless you. Sandra, God bless you. Awo Yinka, God bless you. Sunday, and Onyedika, God bless you. Techno CL67, God bless you. Tammy for you, God bless you. Tunde, God bless you. For creating your time to be part of the program tonight, we are not taking it for granted. Uchenna Michael, Salama, God bless you. Obioma, God bless you. And the rest of you, time will fail me to share this evening. I have a lot of names on my program. I won't be able to call all the names, but we appreciate your presence tonight. And we say, have a good night's time. And we love you all. Bye-bye for now. Thank you. Okay, thank you so much. We appreciate everybody. We love you all. See you on top. Bye-bye for now. One white shoe and one nigga. Got no
no house and I got no car. One black boy from Africa. Got big dreams, they go take me far. All I wanna do is to make the world smile. My music I they do is my only substance, and I really got plans to make the world dance. Yeah, I make the world dance. As I get money for my pocket, I go just enter the play. As I get money for my pocket, I go just call all my guys. As I get